Hello, welcome to Secured Homes. My name is Gideon I. Today I want to show you this beautiful, newly built 4-bedroom with a triple kitchen, a pool, a boys' quarters located here at East Legon Hills in Accra. It is listed on the market for $350,000 US, negotiable. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share with friends and family to also be part of Secured Homes. This property is very beautiful and quality built. It comes with all legal documentations, site plan, indenture, building permits, and a lot more. And it comes with all modern specifications, motorized gates, CCTV camera, an electric fence, an intercom device, and a lot more. The compound is very spacious and can pack 3 to 6 cars. The ground floor features a spacious living area, a dining area, a fully fitted open and closed kitchen which comes with a pantry, a laundry, a powder room, and 1 bedroom. The first floor comes with a spacious living area, comes with a kitchenette, and the 3 remaining bedrooms, which includes the master bedroom, which comes with a walk-in closet, and the balcony. All the rooms come with inbuilt wardrobes from floor to ceiling and an air condition. Now let me take you around the perimeter of the property. Very beautiful property. This is the right wing, which comes very spacious, features these beautiful wall lights. This ladder here takes you to the up where your poly tank is for your water storage. Over here is the backyard where your pool is located. Very beautiful pool. Comes with beautiful lights in it as well. Over here features your beautiful natural greens. Over here is where your pool machine is located. This glass door takes you to the laundry area. More beautiful natural greens. This door here takes you to the boys' quarters. The boys' quarters comes very spacious. It will be coming with fan as well. Very beautiful. Let's continue our tour. More beautiful wall lights. This door here is an exit door from the kitchen to the left wing of the property. Very spacious. Over here is your poly tank. You have a tap over here, your outdoor tap over here. Very beautiful. Now back to the compound. I want to take you inside to have a look at the remaining specifications. Over here is your mini porch. Very spacious as well. This security door takes us to the living area. This is your living area, very beautiful. It comes with your air conditioning, comes with quality POP ceiling, ambience and spotlights. Comes with this beautiful chandelier. It will be coming with 2 fans as well, very beautiful. Over here is for your media setup, for your TV. Also have cabinets under it, very beautiful. It comes with so many windows as well. Let's take a look at the dining area. This place is for your dining area, very sizable. Let's continue our tour to the open fitted kitchen. It comes with all modern appliances. Over here is your burner, which comes with your heat extractor. Comes with multiple cabinet with ambient lights in it. Comes with this your modern sink, very beautiful. Over here is your island. Here comes your modern fridge, very beautiful. Over here is your microwave, under it is your oven, very beautiful. Let's continue our tour to the dry kitchen, which is also known as the closed kitchen. This is your closed kitchen, also come fully fitted, very beautiful. Comes with your burner, comes with your sink, as well as multiple cabinets for your utensils. Let's continue our tour to the pantry. These two kitchen features this pantry, spacious one of course. Now this beautiful property comes with a spacious laundry area. Let me take you through. Over here is your laundry area, come with your washing machine, very beautiful. Comes with this cabinet which you can store your dresses or your towels, very beautiful, as well as this one as well, very beautiful. This tempered glass door takes you to the backyard where your pool is located, very beautiful. Now let's continue our tour to the powder room, which you can call a guest washroom. It comes with all modern specifications. Now this door takes you to the first bedroom, which is currently locked, but very spacious, and it comes with all modern specifications. Let's continue our tour to the first floor. This beautiful stairs, which comes with beautiful ambience light in it, takes you to the living area. Here comes your living area, very beautiful and very spacious. Comes with this mini kitchen, which comes with your sink. It comes with these cabinets, which you can store your utensils, some, very beautiful. There is an allocation for your microwave over here also, very beautiful. Here comes your media setup for your TV as well. Over here is your intercom device, which gives you view of anyone who is standing behind your gate. Also comes with air conditioning as well, very spacious and beautiful. Now let me take you to bedroom number 2. This is bedroom number 2, very spacious. Comes with quality POP ceiling, ambience and spotlights. Comes with floor to ceiling wardrobe, very beautiful. Comes with 2 windows for good ventilation. It comes with your air conditioner as well. Let's take a look at the washroom. The washroom comes very beautiful, glass. Comes with your mirror, standing shower, WC, very quality ones. Let me take you to bedroom number 3. Bedroom number 3 also comes very spacious and beautiful. Comes with quality POP ceiling, ambience and spotlights. It comes with your floor to ceiling wardrobes, very beautiful. Comes with this window, which gives you beautiful view to the neighborhood. Comes with your air conditioner as well. Let's take a look at the washroom of this bedroom also. Now let me take you through the last bedroom, which is the master bedroom. Here is your master bedroom, very spacious and classic. Comes with proper and quality POP ceiling, ambience and spotlight. Comes with inbuilt speakers. Comes with this beautiful chandelier as well as spotlights. Very beautiful and spacious. Comes with multiple windows for proper ventilation. Over here is your TV unit or your media setup. comes very beautiful with this wooden design. Now let me take you through the walk-in closet of the master bedroom. The walk-in closet comes very beautiful, comes with this beautiful ambient lights in it, comes with this glass island which you can keep your accessories, your watches, your jewelries, your bracelets, etc. Let me take you through the washroom. The washroom comes with this glass door, very beautiful, comes with all quality accessories, comes with this beautiful bathtub, comes with double sink. It comes with standing shower, which is barricaded with glass, very beautiful. Comes with your WC, quality ones, of course, very beautiful. Now the master bedroom comes with this balcony. This tempered wide glass takes you to the balcony. Let's take a look. The balcony comes very beautiful. You will be able to view your community or your neighborhood. Very, very beautiful and classic.
Hello, welcome once again to Secured Homes. Thanks so much for watching. My name is Barimah Emmanuel, CEO of Secured Homes. If you are interested in this property or any of our properties, or if you are looking for a property to purchase in Accra, Ghana, kindly contact Secured Homes on +233 50-337-3419. You can as well visit our office at Accra at Jorengano, opposite Baby Jet Square. You can just type Secured Homes Ghana on Google Map and it will bring you directly to our office. And one thing that I want you to understand is all the properties that we've been posting are open for negotiation. Payment plan is accepted on all the properties. Kindly contact Secured Homes and let's lead you to your dream home. Thanks for watching.